Alright, random update. I'm in Tyler's 240. He's got a black coupe that's been sitting at my house, and he's got a buddy that wants maybe to come buy it today. So I fired it up and I'm warming it up and I'm driving it around to make sure it runs good for the guy. And the gas gauge just reads way over full. I'm assuming the gas gauge broke, and I'm just driving and all of a sudden it's just like out of power and the RPMs keep dropping and it wants to die. I'm pretty sure it ran out of gas, and I'm pretty sure it's doing it again right now. I got nothing. There it is. She done. Okay. So it died on me. It died on me like 2 miles back that way, and I sat there for a while in the middle of the road, in the middle of everybody's way. It's got a welded diff, so it's really hard to push. And so then I sat there for a while and I called Tom. Tom's like, all right, I'll bring some gas or maybe a tow rope and I'll come grab you. And I'm like, all right, well, sitting there waiting, and I'm in a really bad position to be towed. So I was like, maybe I can fire it up. Maybe it's been sitting long enough. I could fire it up and flip it around. And so I did. I fired it up and it started and ran. So I was like, go, go, go. And that was me just now leaving that spot, and I made it about a mile or a mile and a half, maybe. I don't know where Tom is at or if he's on his way. I think he's on his way. I was hoping it would limp to the gas station, but it did not make it. I'm still about a mile or two away. I'm gonna let it sit for a second, and I'm gonna try and start it. Actually, we don't have cars coming right now. I'll try and start it right now. So it starts. Oh, there it goes. Oh, no, never mind. It died. So I'm gonna prime the fuel pump. Ooh. No, I think that's all I had this time. I think it's actually out of gas. So I'm kind of boned. I'm waiting for Tom now. He'll be here any minute. We live in a small town. So Tom's gonna bring a tow rope. We're gonna flat tow it. Hopefully putting gas in it makes it work again. I think it's out of gas. This car runs great. We did a manual swap on it, and then I parked it in my backyard for a year. I just went out this morning and I put a battery in it, fired right up, so methinks it just is out of gas, I guess. Is Mr. Thomas. How do I zoom in? Zoom. Look at his old man Mercedes. I wonder if that thing can tow. Woo! Tom to the rescue. We're gonna find out how well a what is this? A C320? We're gonna see how well a C320 will tow. So we're gonna get this thing hooked up and tow it down the street to the gas station, and hopefully it starts. All right, we're hooked up. We are flat towing currently. This is Tom's Mercedes. So just gonna go up the street. Gonna go up the street, get some gas, and hopefully it fires right up, and then we'll take it home. I'll probably go back up and down Test Road because I need to make sure this thing hauls ass. It's faster than my blue car, I'll tell you that. This car is all stock, dual cam KA with a manual swap. My car is a stock dual cam KA, but somebody swapped the cams on it, so it's got some weird cam thing going on. But this car feels powerful. My car can't do a second gear drift without some momentum. And I feel like this car won't be able to do a second gear drift, but it'll do it a little better maybe. But, well, maybe the motor. The car's not really set up for drifting, so it's kind of hard to explain. But good healthy motor in this car. Hopefully we're gonna put some gas in and find out. So give me like 2 minutes and I'll be at the gas station. All right, so I got some gas in the... We are back to running good. All good in this car again. So let's do a little third gear pull. gear. Woo, that feels pretty good. Third gear. Not bad. Wow, this thing runs like a top. All right, man. Cool. Well, glad we got that figured out. I was really worried that it was like a math problem. That's why I originally pulled over. I pulled over to check the math, and everything was fine, and then it died. It just died, and then I started it, and it hardly would idle. So I'm gonna turn around up here. I'm gonna take it home, and might sell this thing today. We'll see.